So all you 4-cylinder Silverado owners out there, this is how you're gonna do a starter. You gotta take the wheel off, wheel liner out, and the starter is right there. Those are the bottom 2 bolts, and there's one tucked up behind this hose. So you gotta fight basically all these hoses and all these wiring harnesses to get to it. And I didn't even see it from the bottom, actually. And this is how they tell you to do it, per my manual. So if you guys didn't want to pay, it's really not too bad. All you would need is a jack stand, and T15s. Take the wheel liner out, 10 mil, 22 millimeter socket, torque wrench, and probably a long extension. Well, there you go. Keep watching. Update on the Silverado starter. It says that you have to reposition these as needed, the coolant hoses. It doesn't say you have to drain it, but maybe more hassle than it's worth to try to fight it in and out. And it may be better just to pop one of these hoses off. I figure I can get this one out, or I could try to snake it out of here somehow. I don't know exactly, but I am gonna take this hose off. I have a drain bucket down below, so at least for now, you have to drain the coolant to do your starter. So on the Silverado starter, I had to slide it out forward, and then I had to pull it down because it would not come through the fender well without possibly bending or breaking brake lines. So that's something to note whenever you do this on your own. Okay, so here's all the tools set up to take this actuator off. This tool here spreads like a speculum, pretty much, and then it grabs the chains down there and pushes them against each other. And then I took this bolt out. You slide a socket in here and take this bolt out, and then loosen this up, slides out, and then you can pop the actuator off. And I slid the new one in, and no, I'm not lying, I slid the new one in. Whether it's in time or not, I don't know. I'll have to put it back together and start it and see if the check engine light comes back on. But that is the GM procedure, sadly. Well, surprisingly, this 4-cylinder turbo is not out of time. Surprised myself here. Didn't think it was gonna be as easy as it was. I'm just letting it run now. Make sure no check engine light comes on. And then I will test drive it and then return it to the customer. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.